During the media briefing in Bukoto, organized by Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition GAIN, highlighting the contribution of the Alliance in improving Uganda's food system pathways and its impact in improving the nutrition status of the people of Uganda, Samalice Namusoke, Assistant Commissioner Health Services and Nutrition under Minister of Health, raised concern over too much consumption of salt by school children, which is very dangerous to their health.
Consumption of health diets, I want to say that as the health sector, we are coordinating pillar number 2 of the food systems, that is promotion of consumption of health diets. And this is an area also that we have worked with GAIN, especially in conducting diet quality assessments. This is an exercise that was conducted in about 60 schools in Uganda. And I want to say that the findings from this assessment are really very challenging. One of the things that came out is that the school children are consuming foods that are rich in, high in salt, up to an extent of consuming 8 grams of salt per day, which is very, very high, above what is recommended.
Namusoke adds that there is also another challenge of consumption of unhealthy diets in schools, which is also very dangerous. She, however, revealed that the Ministry of Health, together with other stakeholders, are working on food-based dietary guidelines to ensure the population is guided on what kinds of food to consume.
Of course, consumption of unhealthy diets in the schools is still a very big challenge, and I want to inform this meeting that we, as Ministry of Health, together with the various stakeholders, GAIN inclusive, we have worked on the food-based dietary guidelines to ensure that the population is guided on what kinds of food to consume in what amounts.
She applauded the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition for the collaboration with the Ministry of Health towards improving the nutrition of Ugandans, especially on issues of salt iodization.
The diet quality assessments that have been conducted together with the support of GAIN, revealing poor diet diversity among the learners.
The Ministry of Trade is very, very responsible for ensuring that quality, safe and nutritious food moves from places of surplus to places of scarcity in its integrity, without any loss of quality and nutrition composition. And so, in the Uganda Nutrition Action Plan, the Ministry of Trade has a very unique role of ensuring that we increase the participation of trade, industry and investment actors in improved nutrition.
Eric Kakore, Assistant Head of School Feeding from Ministry of Education and Sports, said that as the ministry they are committed in finalizing the school feeding policy, saying that GAIN has supported the Ministry of Education, especially the study on dietary assessment in secondary schools.
Uganda is committed to feeding children in schools. And you heard recently, about a month ago, our minister announcing that government will start feeding children in UPE schools. Because of that, we have commitments with Global School Meals Coalitions, and the commitments are the following. 1, to finalize the school feeding policy, to start budgeting for school feeding by government of Uganda, to digitalize school feeding information, but also to attend and participate in international school feeding meetings.
Enoka Musinguzi, Country Director, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition GAIN, explained the role of the Alliance towards improved nutrition in the country.
GAIN's role on that project is to make sure that the private sector players are facilitated or given the enabling environment to deliver safe and nutritious foods, healthier diets, if you will, as part of that food system transformation. And for us to be able to do that, we are definitely working within government lines and structures. The government created what they call the Scaling Up Nutrition Business Network as a platform for bringing private sector together to make sure that things are well aligned with the government priorities, with the national vision, and all this.
JULIUS MUHUMUZA, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.